Arms up, fold forward. Inhale, right leg back. Turn the right heel down. Cartwheel, open our arms as we go into Warrior Two. Now, what's important with your Warrior Two is that you have alignment. From making sure that 5 toes are all on the mat. You don't have anything kind of coming up. All 5 toes are down. You have one line of energy from that heel all the way up the leg, and your arms are long. Look left and right. Make sure your arms are in one line on one plane. None of this and none of this. One plane. And I want you to press through that front knee. Opening up your hips to the side wall. You got this. Breathe, breathe, breathe. As you're pushing through that front knee, you're also opening that right hip a little bit. Feel. Squeeze your glutes, come down a little bit further. Arms lift overhead, hands come to a prayer posture. Remind yourself of your beauty, of your divine nature. Arms out to a T to the opposite side. That right knee is facing the opposite side. Really push through that knee. Make sure you have good grounding. And something else in the Warrior Two, you want to make sure the best posture here, the best position rather, is that this heel is directly aligned with the arch of your left foot. That way you'll be better in position to go all the way down and open up that Warrior Two. Open up, go ahead and draw those shoulder blades back and down. Reaching, arms on one plane. Arms overhead, hands to prayer pose. Warrior Two, 3 more times, and then we're complete. You got this, pressing, really perfecting our Warrior Two today. You are a warrior. Looking over the middle finger of your left hand. And arms up. Looking over your right hand. Pushing through, squeezing your glutes. Making sure your spine is erect and your hips are square towards the side wall. Arms up. This time, fold forward. Hands around your ankles, really stretching that mid-back. Fold forward. Breathing, breathing. And hands come up to your hips. Inhale, come back up. And 2 more. Pressing through that left knee, arms out to a T. You got this. Now making sure, right, that you're always optimizing your position. So right now you may find that you're doing this. You want to make sure. See that difference? Turning the body to open on the side wall. Opening, opening, opening. Thinking about the joy that you're going to receive in your life when you surrender all those judgments. Pressing. As you're pressing forward through that left knee, make sure that you have contact through that 5th toe on the right leg, and you're really pushing through, really grounded. Can you go any lower? Inhale up, arms up, hands to prayer, and go to our right side. You got this. Making sure your hips are square, pushing forward. Draw those shoulder blades back and down your spine. Breathing, Breathing, breathing. One last round, arms overhead. Whew. You feeling the burn? I am. And last time. Left knee pushing forward. Reaching, reaching, reaching. None of that. Out. You got that. And last time, feet parallel, hands overhead. You got this. Watch those hips. Watch them. Any questions about any of this, mechanics, especially if you're teaching yourself at home, send me a message, let me know. Arms overhead, feet parallel, hands come to center. Fold forward.